Good morning, everyone. Let me pull the windows up a little bit. That was a cold start of the Distinct Biturbo V12 of our 2009 SL65 AMG. As you can see there, 20,668 miles. Temperature will be coming up as it idles. But for the moment, I'm just going to show you a little bit around the interior of this car to just show you how everything is working. So we have the navigation screen here up and running. As you can see, perfectly clear, no dead pixels, anything of the sort. We have the cup holders here, pop out nicely, smoothly as intended. We have the keyless go, the ignition button on top of the shifter, which, as you can see there, the key is not placed in. So that is what we're using to have the car powered on right now. So that is all good. We have a lot of different convenience and safety controls here. So we have the suspension, ride height controls there. We have a video showing that that operates as intended. We have your mirror controls and other suspension features. We have, I believe this is for cruise controls and parking assists, various proximity sensors there. And then you'll also see at the front there, right now it's just showing a clock, but that will light up in various colors to show you your proximity when parking from the front. And then we have similarly back there in the rear. So, and additionally, very cool, how many convertibles have a sunroof? Very nice there. And you also have your park distance controls in the front there. So and then additionally we have your lighting controls and all of your seat functions there. So we have heated and ventilated seats, memory, and then of course all of your adjustments, and then obviously your typical climate controls there, and then all of the controls for infotainment around the screen there. So as you can see, as it's idling, coming back up to temperature, and that's just a quick little tour of our SL65 AMG. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to drop a comment. Otherwise, enjoy the photos, the videos, and yeah, this is a cool one. Thanks for watching.